Hey everybody, Sarah Farnsworth here with 31 Gifts, and I have our fall catalog in my hands, and I am so excited for everything that is in here for the fall and what that means for your life on the run this fall, but also your holiday gifts and all of the things that you need to purchase in the next few months. So I wanted to invite you to my Hostess of the Month Club, otherwise known as our VIP gift club. And what that does is that not only lets you take advantage of shopping each month and getting the monthly specials that are awesome every month, right? But it also helps you spread out your holiday buying. So let me explain how this club works. So what it is there's a group of 6 people who join together, and each person is responsible for submitting one order of $35 each month for 6 months. Now, it does not have to be your own personal order. You can collect an order from a friend, you can collect an order from somebody at work or at church, wherever. Again, it doesn't have to be your order, but all you're committing to is purchasing or submitting an order of $35 each month. And what that does is that gives you and your group rotating turns to be the hostess each month. So 1 month, you are going to get the chance to get all of the hostess rewards. And the hostess rewards, as you know, are one of the most coveted things in 31. We love to support our hostesses and help them make their parties successful, but also reward them with all of our awesome products. So not only are you going to get a chance to earn free credit, half-price items, and our exclusive items that are reserved only for our hostesses, but you're gonna get a chance to buy whatever you want on your wish list with those rewards. So we've recently beefed up our hostess reward program, which means more money for you as the hostess. And again, being a part of this club, you are guaranteed the base party of $200 before you even have a party. So it's totally optional if you want to host a party. You can do it online, you can do it at a restaurant or in home. You do not have to do that. You can certainly just take the rewards from the club. So let me show you what our exclusives are for this fall. So for the first time since I've been a part of 31 and I've been shopping for 11 years, we have 6 hostess exclusives. So I want to show you some of these exclusives. So many good things on here. For example, I want to show you our favorite Benjamin's wallet. Now, this is an old print. Even I, as a consultant, don't have this Benjamin's wallet yet. So as a hostess, you are gonna get access to purchasing our Benjamin's wallet in exclusive prints and products, or prints and patterns, for $22. Now, this is a great deal, 48 bucks. This is our #1 best-selling item. You've got all kinds of space for your cards, different places for your receipts, little back pockets. You can throw your cell phone in here, zip it and go. Normally it's 48 bucks. As a hostess, you can buy it for $22, as well as get it in one of those exclusive prints. So that's a super fun option. Another opportunity that you have is our coveted studio bag. So this is one of our favorite, we call it our BYOB bag. You can choose your body style, you can choose your flap color, and you can choose your strap style and length. But as a hostess, you can get our flap package, which is kind of a funny word, right? You can choose 3 flaps for $2 more than what the price of 1 is. So if you already have a studio bag, or if this is something on your wish list, you can, for $2 more than buying a regular flap, you can get 3, and you can get all of them personalized. So this is a huge value in itself to be able to add to your collection, but it's just a really great opportunity to be able to buy 1 purse with your rewards and change it up for casual baseball games, to football games, to date nights, to whatever you're doing. So our studio option is awesome. This one right here is what is called our Creative Caddy. If you are a crafter, a teacher, a homeschool mom, or you do any kind of organizing, this is gonna be for you. You have stretchy pockets on one side, all kinds of compartments on the other side. And then you've got Velcro. Again, you're gonna get free personalization. And inside here, you can either have it be one whole crate, or you can put the divider in. And down inside there's stretchy pockets, and then you're gonna have this zip flap in here, and then you can also open up this, and you've got pockets here on both sides, and then you've also got this nice big mesh pocket here. So this is $40 for a hostess. And again, there's 2 print options. You're gonna get free personalization. And then I want to show you another option for you. This is part of our Close to Home collection, which is a super popular collection for us. We have a tray, we have some decor boxes, we have a little caddy, and this is our newest style, which is the round tray. And as a hostess, you can purchase this, again, with free personalization for $30, okay? So you can buy it regular price as a customer, but as a hostess, you can get it for $30. Another option that we have this fall is what we call our weekender. This is just a super functional, kind of small, it's got a crossbody strap in it, but it's a great little weekend bag. You've got a thermal pocket in the back side, a flap in the front, and then inside is kind of hard to see, but it's all a wipeable lining. There's stretchy pockets and little tabs inside. Which this is just a really, really great dance bag if you're a dance mom or a cheer mom. We are going to use this for hair products and all of our curling irons and hair dryers and stuff like that when we travel for the weekend. I have a lot of artists and craft people are using this because, like I said, the inside of it is all wipeable. So if you do any kind of paints or watercolors or whatever, that inside is going to be protected from that. So this is, again, just another option. You can purchase it for $30. So hosting a party is definitely beneficial for you. Obviously, you can buy things regular price, but why do that, right? Just have a few friends together or collect some orders at work and host a party. And then you can also, being a part of that Hostess of the Month Club or the gift club, not only are you spreading out your purchases for the fall months and making that Christmas time a little bit less crazy on the budget, but you have the opportunity to take those rewards that you're getting from that club and put them towards your party. So really, really great opportunity. I would love to invite you to learn more. Message me or comment below and I'll send you some more information. So happy fall, everybody.